What if you could pilot a plane without ever stepping foot inside a flight school or needing a license? And not just any aircraft, but one built by Tesla. That vision is now reality, as Elon Musk has officially unveiled the 2026 Tesla Super electric plane. This isn't just a leap in aviation, it's a revolution in personal flight. Imagine a vehicle with the vertical takeoff and landing capability of a helicopter, the silence of a whisper, and the intelligence of an autonomous car. This is what Tesla has brought to life. Elon has long teased the possibility of such an aircraft, and now it's real, with technology and infrastructure that place it within reach of everyday consumers. And the most astonishing part, you don't need a traditional pilot's license to fly it. This marks a dramatic shift from the norm, opening up the skies to a new generation of operators. Instead of years of costly and intensive training, Tesla offers an alternative that brings the dream of personal flight into mainstream reality. With Tesla's super electric plane, the idea of flying is no longer restricted by old rules and barriers. Thanks to full self-driving systems that have been refined through billions of miles of road testing, Tesla has developed a robust and deeply intelligent flight interface. Built upon advanced neural networks, the aircraft navigates through the airspace with impressive autonomy, managing everything from route planning and obstacle avoidance to takeoff and landing. The autonomy level hovers around 95%, providing users with enough control for confidence while maintaining simplicity and safety. You don't need to be a pilot to fly this machine. Tesla's certification process trims down the complexity into a streamlined 20-hour online course that costs under $1,000. Through this course, users become familiar with essential aviation principles, emergency response procedures, and the aircraft's intuitive interface, which mimics the simplicity of a Tesla vehicle's touchscreen. All of this is backed by high-fidelity simulators that provide hands-on practice, building comfort and competence without ever leaving the ground. Regulatory bodies like the FAA and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency are already adapting to this new form of transport. Working directly with Tesla, these agencies are expediting approval for autonomous vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Tesla's collaboration ensures that safety standards evolve alongside the technology. For operators, flying the plane is remarkably simple. The cockpit is modeled after the minimalist interior of a Tesla Model 3, utilizing voice commands and intelligent feedback systems to make piloting as easy as driving. Targeted users include everyone from small business owners to tech enthusiasts and commuters. What was once a dream reserved for the wealthy or the trained elite is now a product engineered for a broad demographic. Still, there are risks, and Tesla has accounted for them. Even with powerful AI, system errors are a possibility, especially under challenging conditions like dense fog or sudden hardware failure. However, Tesla has designed a suite of safeguards. These include intuitive emergency controls, such as a joystick and throttle, and a large, easily accessible override button that disengages the automated systems instantly. In case of system failure, the aircraft prompts the user with step-by-step instructions and offers auto-landing capabilities that guide the plane safely to the nearest vertiport or emergency landing zone. Redundant sensors constantly scan the environment, and if the pilot cannot respond, the system defaults into an emergency landing mode. This feature alone cuts the risk of crashes by 80% when compared to human-operated aircraft. The training course also ensures that every operator is comfortable with these scenarios by simulating potential failures and teaching them how to respond quickly and effectively. Tesla has learned from years of developing autonomous cars, applying the same logic and data-centric improvements to aviation. The current version of Tesla's flight software, akin to full self-driving version 12.5, has significantly reduced intervention frequency during low-visibility conditions. Hardware upgrades are also pivotal. The upcoming Hardware 5 AI chip, boasting 800 watts of processing power compared to the previous 300 watts, is set to multiply Tesla's real-time computational capabilities tenfold, boosting speed in emergencies. The aircraft also features dual battery systems, allowing continued flight even if one pack fails. If redundancy weren't enough, Tesla's vast network of engineers, servers, and AI systems can issue software updates in real time, keeping every aircraft at peak performance. Tesla's vision also includes close collaboration with urban planners and air traffic authorities, allowing their smart navigation system to update flight paths live to avoid restricted airspaces and coordinate with ground control without human intervention. This entire experience is made possible through thoughtful infrastructure. Tesla isn't just releasing an aircraft, they're building an ecosystem to support it across major U.S. cities like Los Angeles, Miami, and New York. Tesla is working to retrofit hundreds of rooftops and parking structures into vertiports. Over 500 of them are expected to be operational by 2028. These are not fantasy concepts. They're funded, approved, and actively being developed. The aircraft's range, between 650 to 750 miles on a single charge, puts most major U.S. city pairs within reach. That means it's entirely feasible to take a personal flight from San Francisco to Los Angeles or from New York to Boston without touching a gallon of jet fuel. The aircraft's on board, AI communicates with national air traffic systems to ensure full compliance and smooth operation across civilian-controlled skies, whether it's dodging weather systems or rerouting to avoid a temporary airspace restriction. Tesla's onboard AI manages it all. Use cases are already emerging. Beyond personal travel, which will eliminate long commutes and offer weekend getaways, like never before, commercial applications are growing. Medical supply companies are targeting the plane for rapid response deliveries. Businesses are preparing to cut their transportation windows by half. Even ecotourism companies are investing in Tesla's aviation platform, seeing its silent, emission-free flight as the next frontier in sustainable travel. Flying over glaciers, national parks, or even volcanoes without leaving a carbon footprint is no longer a fantasy. It's part of Tesla's next business model. To support this demand, Tesla is building a global network of charging hubs that can refill the aircraft to 80% in just 30 minutes. These will be located not in remote airfields, but near urban vertiports, shopping centers, and offices, making the experience seamless and accessible. With electric charging replacing jet fuel, the cost of short-haul flights is expected to drop by around 40%, bringing the average ticket price down to roughly $120 from the current $200. Affordability is key to this vision. While private jets often cost millions, and even high-end electric vehicles can reach $90,000. Tesla's electric plane is launching at an astonishing $75,979. By leveraging their manufacturing scale, Tesla stripped away unnecessary luxury and instead emphasized utility, safety, and modular design. It's not a status symbol, it's a tool. The aircraft's wings fold in, and the frame fits inside a standard two-car garage. This is deliberate engineering meant to eliminate the need for costly hangars, which can add tens of thousands of dollars per year to ownership costs. You can literally park it next to your Tesla Model 3. And if repairs are needed, Tesla's service centers can handle it thanks to modular parts and interchangeable components that make maintenance fast and inexpensive. These choices make private flight not only accessible but practical for everyday users. This isn't just about reducing costs. Tesla has also made sure the aircraft can serve a wide range of users. Seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities were considered at every stage of the design process. The cockpit is equipped with voice controls and oversized touch displays. Commands like "Fly to Miami" can be issued without touching a button. Adjustable seats accommodate those with limited mobility. Vertiports will feature wheelchair boarding ramps. Integrated health monitoring systems track vital signs, like heart rate, and can even initiate auto-landing if a health emergency is detected. Tesla is also working with veterans organizations to offer subsidies on the flight operator course, broadening the number of people who can realistically participate in this aerial revolution. As a result, it's projected that by 2030, up to 30% of users could come from groups traditionally excluded from aviation. Inclusion is at the heart of this program. Tesla's vision is that any adult over 18, regardless of background, income level, or physical condition, can access the sky. It's a redefinition of freedom and mobility that goes beyond convenience. It represents the first time flight has become truly democratic. The engineering, the cost structure, the regulatory groundwork, and the physical infrastructure all reflect this radical departure from how aviation has traditionally operated. Tesla's electric plane isn't a luxury or a vanity project. It's a mass-produced, safe, clean, and intelligent vehicle designed to transform how people move from place to place, just like the automobile did a century ago.